very happy to be part of this event today because this is the first of the big events we have done. Because we always believe let's have something substantial to show to the market before we invite a lot of customers to come and be part of this festivity. And today, when we had the model apartment ready, the streets are ready within the property, we said this will be a great occasion for us to invite as many people as possible to the square and let them experience the kind of lifestyle that we are planning to build in Adipatla, which is an emerging market. And with the government's thrust on improving the east part of Hyderabad, we think this will offer a great luxurious lifestyle property. We have about 130 villas here along with a fabulous clubhouse spread across 20,000 square feet. Beautiful landscapes and waterscapes will dot this entire project once completed. And initially we had thought we'll plan the completion of this project towards mid of 2026. However, given the kind of traction we have got on sales in this project and people are so appreciative of what we are doing is at Aira Square, we think we should be able to deliver this much ahead of schedule, and we are committing now to complete this project by December of 2025. I invite all of you all to come to Aira Square in Adipatla. Come and visit us, look at our model villa, have an understanding about the quality parameters that we go through while building a villa for you, and come and enjoy your lifestyle at Adipatla at the square. Thank you.
Sir, this comes...
Aira Square is located perfectly in Adipatla, just about a kilometer and a half from the outer ring road, exit number 30. So if you are coming from Financial District and you want to buy a great lifestyle property, this would be a 30-minute drive for you from Financial District. And in the surrounding, if you are looking at something like LB Nagar, this would be roughly about 11 and a half kilometers.
You say that this is near for the airport and these things?
Airport will be just about a 15 to 18-minute drive from here. And you have the Foxconn and other things which are located just about 10-minute drive from this location. So somebody aspiring to buy a lifestyle property in close vicinity to ORR and can drive into the city and out of the city with great commute possibles, with great road, etc. The square would be the place for you.
What are the facilities available?
So all the villas come with great fittings at the sanitary level, at Grohe and other gate brands have been used. All of the villas come in a duplex format. The entire project will have a clubhouse spread over 20,000 square feet and a lifestyle which is comparable to gated communities in developed countries like US and Singapore is what we are planning to offer here at the square. We have outdoor gardens, landscapes, we have swimming pool, we have badminton courts, we have guest suites, we have a full-fledged health gym, and this is where I think the customer will make a distinction about buying a great, fabulous gated community in Adipatla.
Is there any supermarket?
We will be having a supermarket, and on the periphery of this, we also have left some space for a commercial complex, so that as the area develops, we can bring more and more services to two of our projects. One is the Square and another project called Urban Ranch, for which we have just done Bhumi Puja.
And what about security?
We're very safe and secure. We'll have a complete system of 3-level security for the premises. Within the close vicinity, everything is reachable, including a great school within a 10-minute drive from this place. And you have many choices for hospitals, schools and other things.
The square would be the one place where the soul to soul can, the souls can rest in the square, you say?
This will be a great
soulful
for
place.
Somebody who loves nature, who loves great outdoors, who doesn't want to feel congested in a city. This will be a great place for them to come and live here. And this will be, but it will be planned with great amenities which are comparable to developed countries like US and Singapore.
Thank you.